How to create a website without coding in 3 steps. In today's digital age, building a website doesn't require you to be a tech whiz or master coder. Whether you're launching a personal blog or setting up an online store, you can create a stunning website with just a few simple steps. Let's dive into the 3 easy steps to get your website up and running with no coding skills needed. Step 1. Choose a website builder. There are plenty of user-friendly website builders out there, such as Wix, Squarespace, and WordPress. These platforms allow you to create beautiful websites using pre-designed templates and drag-and-drop features. Take some time to explore their options and choose the one that best fits your needs and budget. Step 2. Select your template and customize it. Once you've picked a website builder, it's time to find a template that matches your vision. Templates are essentially pre-made website designs that you can customize according to your taste. Look for a style that complements your brand or theme, and then make it unique by adjusting the colors, fonts, and layout. Most website builders offer intuitive interfaces, so you can easily drag elements around, add images or videos, and personalize your site without writing a single line of code. Step 3. Add content and publish. With your design in place, it's time to fill your website with engaging content. Start by creating essential pages like Home, About, and Contact. Make sure your content is clear, concise, and tailored to your audience. Many website builders also offer SEO tools to help optimize your site for search engines. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and functions, hit that Publish button, and your website will be live for the world to see. And that's it. You've just created a website without writing any code. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks.